G'day viewers. I think this will happen to a lot of people, probably most people, if not everybody, who comes not only here to Cambodia, Phnom Penh, or some of the other countries close by, but I was totally not prepared for what happened to me. Nothing too serious, but it eventually can be. So with that, I would say that when you come here, you're not prepared for it, you will get attacked very badly. There was another YouTuber who returned to Cambodia, went and done some filming, and he ended up in hospital. Simple precautions make for such a way better stay here. As I said, I should have known better, but rush, waiting for everybody, and I totally forgot about it all. And what is that, you might ask? My God, did I pay the price for it? I wasn't the only one. As I said, I should have known better, but that's mosquitoes and the midges. My God, did they go nuts, not only on myself, but on a few other people as well. I doubt whether you would see. We've got 1, 2, 3. I'll even go around and try and count on my legs where they were. All in all, I got smashed probably about 30 times plus in the 2.5 hours I was there. And where was I? Well, I was just outside of Phnom Penh. Ooh, itchy. And I was at a friend's place, new house, at a housewarming reception party, as you do. Got out there. Totally forgot where it was because we didn't leave till late, so it was a rush event to get out there when everybody, and I mean everybody, was ready. Myself with, how many was there? 9 other women. Yeah, God help me. Glut for punishment, you betcha. But anyway, so yeah, when you go, you take protection, and that just avoids the lot of irritation that I've had over the last 3 days. It's not so bad now. So what happened there was, as I said, I got smashed with it. I don't know whether you'll be able to see or not. There's one right there. I should try and move around a bit more into the light. You see one bad one just there. There's another one on there. If you can look up, 1, 2, 3 there. They're the little dots. Go up to number 4 there. It's only on this side. Then you got 4 more on that side. Now let's start on to one of the other really bad ones that you can probably see already. Have a look at that. 1. There was another one there. 2. So 1, 2, 3. So, and that's not including the ones on the back of my leg. Another one up here. You probably can't quite see that one. But the one just on my knee there. Then you got, I won't show you what was on my body, but I got quite a few. Out. Did they go nuts at me? And the one on my right ankle, and you probably can't really see this one here, that's where I got bitten and it really swelled up. Didn't itch, scratch, so I think there was something else there, but I don't know exactly what it was. So there was that one there and another one on my ankle. Oh, and I have bruising on both ankles, one on the back of my left ankle and one on the front of my right ankle. Whatever they were, I tell you, they were silent killers. But it is a season for it, especially out in the province area. If you go outside, God's sake, take protection. There was, as I said, there's one YouTuber, he got attacked by the mosquitoes and everything. He ended up getting dengue fever. His temperature went right up, yada, yada, yada. He's all right now. He put a post up. Oh, got an itchy ear as well. And so wish him well, like me. He didn't take protection. I forgot all about it. Yes, I do have it here. I did actually bring something with me. This is not for everybody. Bushman. So That's one of them. That's nearly empty. But within saying that, once you've been bitten, it's a bit late to put it on. I do have another one. I have numerous ones here. Oof. Quite readily available. Does have DEET in it. Have a look at it. So you can read it all there. That does work. I just sprayed it on. You can get other ones on, but once you've been bitten, it makes no difference. But then again, once you get bitten, you look for stuff that you can actually use to help you. Go with the locals. Locals know better. I did originally first buy some cortisone. That does help a little bit, but you want to stop a lot of the swelling and what goes on as well. And the funny one out of all that was when I was out in the province at the in-laws place. Probably can't read that, but I'll put it right up there. What is it? Hemorrhoid cream. Stops the swelling. Oh. Hey, a lot of that has all gone down. You might get just these little marks like that, and a couple of others you saw on my left leg. 5 on one little side there. They're virtually all gone. No itching, no nothing. So if it works, hey, the locals know better, stick with it. So out of that, just come prepared. When you go venture outside, especially after the rain, and it's pretty hot again, we get rain during the day and then mosquitoes go nuts at night time. They like feasting on us white people. Everybody actually, so it's not just me, but anyway, and your ankles take a belting with it. As I said, both my ankles there end up bruising because of whatever those two main bites, one on each ankle. This one here, I still don't know what bit me, because when I got it, it went splat. It didn't go blood or anything, it was just water, so I don't know what that one was. So please, take care when you come here. Bring repellent, regardless of which country you go to here in Asia. Bring mosquito repellent that suits you, whether it's the really big stuff that just kills everything, or something that's more suited to your sensitive skin. Please, just take it and use it. Don't be afraid to use it. I tell you what, because if you're afraid to use it and you get eaten alive, what can I say? Anyway, out of that, that's it for me. That's just a little, hate to say, I told you so. Well, I've got to eat humble pie on that one. My fault, I forgot all about it. But you, if you watch this video, you will know not to forget it. You can get by every now and again with a couple of bites here and there, but it's not going to work every day. You have to be prepared. All right, it's enough of me gabbling on. Catch you in the next one. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Or couldn't you know? Catch you later.